One of Toronto's most historic buildings, Oakham House, was built in 1848 by architect William Thomas as his home and office. It was sold to John McGee in 1860, until the City of Toronto purchased it in 1899. For the next 60 years, it was known as the Working Boys' Home, a place for troubled or disadvantaged male youth from ages 14 to 18. In 1958, the Ryerson Polytechnic Institute acquired the house and named it Kerr Hall, after Ryerson president Howard Kerr. The building underwent renovations and reopened in 1978 with its original name, Oakham House, this time with a pub on the lower level. In the spring of 2021, another renovation project was completed at Oakham House to expand its kitchen space. The cafe and grab-and-go have also been redesigned to allow for better flow and function of the space. The historic Oakham House is looking forward to welcoming back the Ryerson community when it's safe for us to meet again.